How can you prevent your laundry from getting stolen? There are a few steps you can take to prevent your laundry from getting stolen. Use a locked laundry room. If you live in an apartment complex or other multi-unit building with a shared laundry room, be sure to use a locked room. This will make it more difficult for someone to take your clothes. Keep an eye on your laundry. When you're doing your laundry, try to stay close by so you can keep an eye on your clothes. If you need to step away, consider taking your laundry with you or asking a trusted friend or neighbor to watch it for you. Use a lockable laundry bag. If you're worried about your laundry getting stolen while you're away from home, consider using a lockable laundry bag. These bags have a lock on them to keep your clothes secure. Mark your clothes. If you're worried about someone taking your clothes by mistake, consider marking them with a unique identifier, e.g., a special symbol or initials. This can help you identify your clothes if they get mixed up with someone else's. By following these steps, you can help protect your laundry from getting stolen. It's always a good idea to be vigilant and take precautions to keep your belongings safe. If you want to see more of our videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop.